Hey butterflies! Is my face scaring you? Hopefully not. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hey, I'm Brittany, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you haven't already noticed what this video is about, it's the unboxing Boxy charm. This is the base box. So if you're excited and you want to see what's inside, because I know I do, then please keep watching. Okay, y'all, so this is the April Boxy charm. And before we get any further, please hit that like, subscribe if you haven't already, and tap in, y'all, tap in, hit that notification bell for your girl to show support. Thank you so much, butterflies. I appreciate it. You don't even know. I'm still new, you know, I'm building and growing, and I just want you to know I'm thankful for every one of you, all of you. So thank you so much. I want to show some love real quick. But yeah, so I have the base box. I've been with them for a couple years. Never got any repeat products, never got anything broken. I've always been pleased with Boxy charm. I also get the Lux, so that'll be coming, I think, in May. So yeah, if you get the base and the Lux, or the base and the premium, you can choose one product with the base box of what you want to be inside the box. If you have Lux, you get to choose 2 products because you get like 8 products total. So you can also do add-ons, and you get like a good discount off. It's all high-end makeup. Nothing's drugstore. That's what's great about Boxy charm. And their customer service is also pretty good. I haven't had any issues. So yeah. So for the add-ons this month, I ordered the Farsali Unicorn Essence Skin Enhancing Antioxidant Serum. And I also ordered the Farsali Rose Gold Elixir 24K Gold Infused Beauty Oil. Hopefully you can see that. This is what it looks like. It's 24K Infused Beauty Oil. And it's got some good ingredients in it. This is what the bottle looks like. It's 0.34 fluid ounces. Really pretty. It's got a seal on it. So I just cracked the seal. And it's got the little dropper. It has a light scent, nothing too powerful. This is good for like moisturizer, you know, using it on your face at night is usually when I do my oils or before makeup. I don't like heavy scented products. They usually break me out. So the other one, this one says for the Unicorn Essence, apply to clean face before moisturizer. May be used as a primer before makeup as well. Discontinue use if redness or irritation occurs. Keep out of eyes. Yeah. So I was excited about these. I've heard good things. It's been out for a while. And congratulations, Farah. I think it is Farah and Sal. They're the owners of Farsali. That's what they got the name from, if you didn't know. I follow them on Instagram, both accounts, and they just had a baby, and I'm so excited for that. Like, yeah, it's always awesome. They've been trying, I think, for a while, and so congratulations on your baby and the new member to your family. But yeah, they're the owners of Farsali, which I think it's at Ulta too. I know it's at Sephora. This is like a pink. Ooh, that feels really nice. So I can link my Boxy charm the link. It's like my referral code, my referral link. I don't know, I'm like brain fart, sorry. But I don't get commission if you guys click on my link. I think I do get Boxy Charm points. I get like, yeah. So that's always nice. So first we have is the Glamierre. These look like brushes. Looks like this. You can see the brushes. Ooh, they're like, something's moving in here. Not bugs. Let's see real quick. Take the plastic off. Take this off. It's really sparkly and girly, glittery, beautiful. I think this is the product that I chose because a lot of them sometimes you have to be really fast. It's like the second Monday of every month. You can mark it on your calendar. It'll save, and they go fast. The pick, you know, the choices for the boxes go really fast. And so sometimes if you don't get to do that, then they'll just pick for you. It's not that big of a deal. Sometimes I get lucky and get what I ended up wanting anyways. But yeah, it's got these, see the brushes, how it like moves. So we have like a fluffy brush. We have a little small like detailed brush. We got the blending brush and another like small detailed flat brush. I would use this like for under my eyes or like, you know, like the inner corner, whatever. So these brushes that came in this little pouch were, let's see how much they were. $29.95. Glittery and hand enchanting and fun. This set features 4 essential eye brushes. Ultra soft duo synthetic bristles make blending easy and flawless. This was a new launch, so yay. And yeah, I have my Freeman Beauty Avocado and Oatmeal Mask on for just for 10 minutes, but going over doesn't hurt you. I've been kind of like breaking out. I haven't been on my birth control. My birth control usually helps with my breakouts and like everything. So I haven't been on that for a while, like 3 months. So my face has been acting a little cray. So next we have the Probiotic Skincare Tula Skincare So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Hey girl. This looks nice. Clean and effective. This is 2.89 ounces. It's an exfoliant, obviously, powered by pink salt, volcanic sand, and witch hazel. Deeply exfoliating scrub helps purify pores and minimize the look of blackheads. Good for you ingredients like probiotics, raspberry leaf, pomegranate. Reveal smoother, softer, and more balanced skin. Apply clean skin with warm water. Gently massage in circular motion before rinsing thoroughly. Use 2 to 3 times per week. That's what that looks like. So cute, just nice blue matte bottle. And this was $32. So yeah, this helps with, you know, pores. So if you guys have crazy skin, helps with breakouts, all that. The ingredients sound amazing. Next we have the Trestique Eye Duo Good Vibes Mascara and Eye Pencil. Woo! Look at that. Nice. After one application of mascara and curler, participants observed 100% lengthening effect, 100% curving effect, and 85% volumizing effect. 100% of women said lashes looked longer and visibly lifted. Woo woo. Vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, synthetic fragrance-free, formulated without D5. And there's a smudger and a sharpener. And for the eye pen, there's a eye pencil with eyeliner and a smudger and sharpener. And then the lash enhancing mascara with a half curler. What? That's crazy. That's so cool. Look at this side. See all that? That's cool. So they did all that with just, you know, this. So awesome. This was priced at $44. Eye-opening duo for gorgeously defined eyes. Good Vibes Mascara is the first mascara to combine a lash curler and mascara in one product. Yeah, I was gonna say, I never heard of that before. Woohoo! Good going. The eye pencil formulated for sensitive eyes. I have sensitive eyes, sensitive skin. Features a luxurious, versatile gel formula, and the pencil glides on like a liquid but provides pencil precision. Again, $44. You can always, if you go to, so you click my link, you can sign up with Boxy if you haven't already. And yeah, it's super easy. It's a monthly subscription. You can cancel anytime. And Lux is every 3 months. So then this is big. It says flip down to curl. So it's got like the curler, like a half curler right here. Looks like that. This is the wand. Nice. This is a big tube. Huge tube. So, and then it has the pencil. And the other side. Oops, I think I wasn't supposed to take that part out. Hold on. The other side has the little smudgeroo right here. I got stuff all over me. Skincare. Whoa, that just popped out. It's kind of pointy right here. It's not sharp, but it's just really pointy. So that was $44. That's the third product in the box. Yeah, I've been hydrating a lot more. I think I'm losing some weight. I need to invest in a little scale. Since I've been using the Lady Boss protein shakes that taste like cake. It's been helping. It's been helping with cravings, and it's a meal replacement. They want you to start off like 2 times a day, then slowly into 3 times a day. They said for most 5 times per day, but I like to eat. I like to snack, and then, you know, have like dinner, and then like another snack later on. Something light in the morning, like yogurt or something. But in the next up, oh no, this is what I chose. This is the Brow Bar by Reema Bombshell Brow Kit. Unleash your inner bombshell with this Lux Brow Kit. Your eyebrows will say it all. It includes brow powder duo, highlighter, brow lift, brow pencil, tweezers, and a brush. Awesome. It's got ingredients for all of them. Comes in this beautiful, you know, chic gold box. This was the item that I chose, y'all. So excited for this product because it's just awesome. Like, comes with all that stuff. Kind of trying to, it's easy to see your fingerprints on it real fast. But yeah, that's what that looks like. And it says medium. So it's the medium, the color is medium. Beautiful. It's got this huge mirror. See how big that mirror is? Dang. And then it's got, so it doesn't go all the way flat. Just, that's as far as it goes. It's got tweezers. I didn't know that. It's got little tweezers. Oh, wow. It's got a spoolie. And then it's got the flat brush to apply the pomade. And then spoolie to brush them out. And it also has, what is this? Oh, the eye pencil. In medium. And this was $40. So yeah, 2-sided spoolie with brush, highlighter, concealer, and 2 shades of brow powder. Chic, sleek, compact, includes tweezers, brow pencil as well. Awesome. Very luxurious. And it has, you know, these shades right here. So cool. I'm not giving this away. It's got all this extra support, you know, like protection. That's nice. So it did not come damaged. So woohoo, that was my choice. And then the last item is Evio Beauty Pore Effect Primer. Pore Effect Base Matte Finish. And it's 30 milliliters, which is 1 fluid ounce. That's what this looks like. Oh, was just trying to get it focused because there's like a glare with my light. I love this light, by the way. I love this light. Watch my video. Check it out. It's the what's the review of it says like best ring light ever or something. It's the Evisai light ring light. It takes less than 10 minutes to put together. I show you how to put together and I show you how bright it is and everything. So you can check that video out. You can also check my April giveaway. I have an April giveaway right now. Giveaway going till May 1st at midnight. You can enter, babes. So enter, enter, enter. The rules are in that video in the description box. So yeah. And I'll have everything in the description box on what these products were and my link for if you guys want to subscribe to Boxy Charm. I would definitely suggest, I recommend them highly. Natural, vegan, conscious, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, toxic-free. And this was $23. Moisturizing primer with a matte finish that will create a smooth base for your foundation and help it last all day. With everyday use, your skin will experience the benefits of great ingredients like green tea to soothe the skin and minimize the appearance of pores while reducing redness. So green tea is a really good ingredient. So yay! That was the box, and I can't wait to review the Farsalis because I showed you, like what it looked like on my hand and stuff, and it still feels really soft and moisturized. But yeah, I can't wait to like really put it to use. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Comment below, say what's up, have any questions, hit me up. And yeah, enter the April giveaway, y'all, if you haven't already. I love you so much. See you in the next video. Bye.